Hey guys, so in today's video, oh my god, this is such a random thing to do, but in today's video, also this video is gonna be very short since my last video was so long. I'm gonna make this very short. In today's video, we're gonna see if the dodo bird has a brain. Yes, let's see. Like, I know it's so random, but yeah, let's see. And like, what's inside the dodo bird? Does the dodo bird have a brain or anything? So it's gonna be hard to view like my camera like this. I mean, look at the dodo bird. So today we're just gonna be like kind of visually the dodo bird. Look at it. Like, look at his eyes when it moves. It's going like straight. Like, look at his eyes. Oh my god, geez, they're so small. They're so big. I mean, you think it has a brain? I mean, look at its eyes. Like, look at its eyes. I don't think eyes are supposed to do that. So, let's see if we can do this. So, are you ready, guys? Are you ready to see the dodo bird? 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're in. Wait. What? That's it? Is there anything else we can see? So basically, this is what's inside the dodo bird. So it's confirmed. The dodo bird does not have a brain. It's confirmed. It does not have a brain. Just eyes that are like almost touching each other. Wow. So I don't think it's I think it might be for all the dodo birds, or just, I don't know if it's just mine or everybody else's dodo bird, but I don't think dodo birds have a brain. So yeah. Yeah, that's wow. So now the scientific discovery in Bedwars. The dodo bird does not have a brain. So, wow. We have to write this somewhere. This is gonna go down in the history of Bedwars. The dodo bird does not have a brain. We should write this down. Let's write down here, since it's a big book of spells and stuff. Okay. The dodo bird does not have a brain. Done. Okay. So, yeah, that's really just it for the video. Like, it's so random and it's so random. Now I fell. Let me get my dodo bird back. Move. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's really it. Look at it. Like, its eyes are almost touching each other. Like, there's no space for a brain. And wait, what's his eye shape like? Look. What the heck? That's not even, it's sticking out. I see, like, what's this? Can we get a close view? Okay, we can. Okay. So, yeah, let's just see if we can get another view of the eyes. Like, look at it. Look at the eyes. Look. There we go. That's a better view. Look at those eyes. Oh my god. Look at those eyes. One's more out and one's more in. Like, for the pupil. Oh my god. There's no iris either in the eyes. Oh. So, anyways, that's confirmed. I still like the dodo bird, no matter if it does or does not have a brain, but it does not have a brain, but yeah. So anyways, this is where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's ridiculous video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.